boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. NICO SANTOS here with One Day I'm Gonna Break Your Hearts. Maybe not today, but one day. Anyway, let's start this one up. We don't need any capo for this one. It's just plain simple chords for is the number, and it goes in the same way through the entire song. So let's start this one up. Let's go over the chords. We have first the A minor. It's open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord here will be this grip top of a F sus chord. So that will be third D, open G, first B, and open E. All right. The next chord will be C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the final chord, the G. So third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. Okay, so I'm gonna give you this melody, and it's played in the song, and I'm gonna give you the notes, and it's up to you to use it in your way. You can build in a couple of notes from it into the strumming pattern, which we're going to look at later. But I just want to give you the tools, and it's up to you to make the song. So let's start with the A minor, like this. Okay, so it's open A, second D, first B, and open G. Then we have the F chord here. Goes like this. So that is third on D, open G, open B, first B, back to open B, and open G. And here on the B string here, this part I'm using the hammer on and pull off technique there. So I'm picking the first open B there, and then I like this. Hammer on the first B, and then I pull off again with my left hand to get the open B. Just some technique stuff there to make it fast. This. Okay. Then we move on to the C. Sounds like this. So that is third on A, open G, first B, down to third B, and open G. And then we have the final chord here, the G bass notes. Sounds like this. So that is third E string in the bass, then open D, open B, first B. So slowly it goes like this. On standard tempo, something like this. And so on. And that is the melody. Now I'm gonna show you one last thing here, and that is the strumming that works through the entire song. We have this strumming pattern. We'll start with the A minor since that is the first chord. It's pretty simple. It's down, clap, down, down, clap. That is one round. So down, clap, down, down, clap, down, clap, down, down, clap. Like this, all right? And you know what? I'm just gonna play one string round per chord through the entire song, and that's it. So with the chord progression, it goes like this. If you wanna build in this melody, you can do that as well. Not the full melody, of course, because it won't fit into the strumming. But when you do this, when you build in melodies into strumming, usually you have to sacrifice strumming pattern or notes here and there. It's a compromise you have to do, but yeah, it could give you that much more when you do it. It could be very cool. And for this one, it doesn't work that good. It works better in many other songs, but it works anyway. You can have a couple notes from this melody, or you can choose to play it just plain as it is sometimes. It's up to you, but it could sound something like this. Could be pretty cool actually, so give it a try, guys. That is Santos, One Day I'm Gonna Break Your Heart. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.